Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I am setting up my monthly spread for the month of October, and I'm so excited because I'm going to be using this sticker kit from the Planner Anonymous kit featuring this cute doll named Roxy and all her critter friends. This washi tape is also from that same kit, Planner Anonymous, and I will link down below or up top here the card for the unboxing of this subscription kit. Is absolutely beautiful. I have so many ideas of how I'm going to use this kit, but I wanted to start it off by decorating my monthly spread. And it's been a while since I've shown you a monthly spread, so I thought I would show you one for October using the standard sticker kit from Planner Anonymous. So first I started off with putting down some washi tape because this washi tape is so pretty. It has those warm amber hues of these oranges and browns, and it has like this copper orange gold foil on there that represents the different leaves. So I don't know why I just wanted to put that down first. Um, but I felt like once I got that down, I was like ready to go for the other stuff. And I know, I just started with the one washi tape. And then I decided to go ahead and put down a colorful box sticker. I'm using the gold foil border for the colorful box, and I figured that this will be a nice backdrop for the stickers that I'm going to put down here in the lower left hand corner. I decided not to use the smaller sticker. I wanted a longer one, and so I removed that one and replaced it with the longer one. So I like that better. And I wanted to put down the trees and the critters and so forth. So I think this is one of my favorite kits because I have always loved the little critters. And there was something when I was growing up, there was just a sticker collection of critters, or I can't remember what it was, but it feels very nostalgic for me. And so I really enjoyed all these little critters like the fox, and this owl is just adorable. Okay, the way that it has its head tilted with the eyes like, what you looking at, boo? I just think it's so cute. And then this wreath, this holiday wreath with all the forest greenery and mushrooms and so forth is so pretty. But I went back and forth where I wanted to put this at. So, but I'm determined to use this wreath. So, but I love this owl, but I'm trying to figure out what to do with this owl and what to put with it because it's so cute, you guys. It's so adorable. But I decided to just move on and not get stuck. And so I put down that tree with the bird in there. I know the bird is big, but hey, whatever. In comparison to the tree. But I just thought that was so cute. The birds singing, because to me in autumn season, the birds really do sing, and they sing loudly, and so that's how I feel about this small tree and this big bird singing in the tree. And then I love this raccoon, and so I put behind there one of those cut off tree trunks with the pine cone leaf and the pine cone there. I also like this line of forest greenery with the mushrooms that I put on the right hand side because of the sticker being long. It sort of extended the decoration a little bit. And then up there at the top, I put the little squirrel. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And I was going to go ahead and start using the other sticker sheets from the additional sticker set that I got, but I really wanted to stick with the standard kit and challenge myself to use just these 4 sheets, which really I only used 2 of them. But I was still able to accomplish a lot. You guys, I wanted to use this wooden sign so badly, but I just couldn't figure out how to get it in here with everything already placed down. And so I just didn't, but I really wanted to use that wooden sign. So in my upcoming spreads, I'm going to get the wooden sign in there. So yeah, but once I put down everything else, I just couldn't figure out how to add it to the spread without covering up some dates or whatever, or so I just left it alone. But going back to this owl, I wanted to add something to the owl, extend the sticker a little bit more, and so I decided to lift up the edges of the owl sticker and add some of the branches that were in this sticker sheet. It was actually a corner sticker with the pine cone connecting the 2 sprigs together, and I just removed the sprigs and added it to each side of the owl. So I really like that. So here's the left hand side of my spread, and then here's the right hand side, and I love it. I think this monthly spread came out so cute. And sometimes I have to be honest, I really don't like doing monthly spreads because I don't think that there's a lot of room to add decor and so forth. And so it's a little bit on the side of where I don't use a lot of stickers and I get bored with it, so I don't show it. But this one I really truly like. So thank you for joining me today for this plan with me of my monthly spread for October. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and until the next time, thank you for joining me. Bye bye.